Okay, so I'm live. Okay, so I'm live. Why am I talking like that? Okay, so I'm live. Why am I talking like that? Okay, so I'll just go ahead. Okay, so I continue. One more thing. Let me go to Twitter. Okay, post it on Twitter. Where's my which I have to change it and make it to the Steve Jobs thing. Anyway, so welcome back again. So I went on a break for school exams and it's pretty good break that I took. But then I'm coming back and there's some still stuff that I still need to take care of. So this stream is actually not going to be a very long one because I'm going to end this stream and I'll start again when I'm streaming something else. So probably I'm just going through to fix the reviews that I've been asked to do. Then maybe in the next 30 minutes, it's 5:35 here. So probably by 6 o'clock, 6:30, I'll be done and I'll move on to streaming another thing. Okay, so one more thing is I'll keep the chat active. The chat doesn't seem to stick. How do I get this to stick? Okay. Okay. So the chat is active here where in case of anything. Because the last time apparently I was missing all the chats and stuff. Okay. So one more time, one more time. Let's see. No, wait, 6, 9. What's an account user? Ouch. If, let me copy this. Then I'll go back to yeah. I don't know. I just don't know what to do when it's like I don't want people to know that I'm doing the stream, but then I also want people to know that I'm doing the stream. I'm just going to retweet this there. Yeah, and you can go ahead if there's nothing. Okay, so let's continue. So what was I? So yeah, so I'm going to take a look at these two things specifically, and then probably continue with something else. But first of all, this text, the reason why I'm actually doing on Twitch is it's not really because of anything. It's just the fact that the Twitch is able to save it for you, so I can actually export them to YouTube. Then it's like I'm keeping an archive of my learning journey or something on YouTube, something like that. So that's just it. And before I came here, so I spent like an hour going through my setting my VS Code thing, and I came across installing a bunch of themes here. Installed just a bunch of things just now because I was looking for a perfect thing, but I just go back to my old one because I like this. I'm getting some mixed feelings with the default GitHub theme, but it's pretty okay for me. So I'm going to stay with this for a while now. So anyway, as I was saying, I'll just go ahead and take a look at this. So first of all, is the code. This is the code. I have to check out to this test. This test rules branch. There's some still stuff that I have to take care of here. I think it's just level one. It says same here. I never actually understood it then. Fixed actionable commented posts. It says outdated. We'll mark this as okay. I mark this as resolved. Okay. So yeah, so I just have to fix this one more thing here. I think that's the only review left for this one. And I will request a review from David and he can take a look at it. So where was I? So I have to branch into the branch tests. I want to just straight up go into the terminal, but then I'm feeling like welcome to the chat room, really. Or is there anyone there? Yes, I'm just going to check out with the UI. It's kind of nice. Anyway, let's check out the first. And fetching the branch. So now that the branch is fetched, close this. Let me go and install the dev server. Starting the dev server again. NPM is actually getting really good as time goes on. Okay, what I've realized is it's like it's getting to the levels of PNPM. It's like it has been influenced by PNPM in a way because PNPM used to cache stuff so that when you reinstall stuff again, it doesn't kind of fetch everything. I think NPM is doing something like that. But I've really seen speed improvement in NPM as time goes on. It's back on. So where was it? It is the same thing. But then this is actually related to test. So let me go to the was which found. So can you elaborate on this? Same I say you don't need to recreate everything through the UI. So let me just 671. No, no, no. It's the stepper components. Line 600. Yep, there you are. So what was this test about? So this test was able to sign a document to the custom dates. Okay. So I think I talked to him, then he was explaining that what I am doing here is I am creating a document. This I am adding all this stuff, the rules manually. So I'm going through the manual process of just let me let me add this. Where's the blank document? So I'm going through the manual process of adding stuff one by one. So oh the add let me see add continue. So I'm going through the step of adding this like this manually. That's what I am doing here. So you get the label. After we get the label, this even from the start. That's here, here is here. Go here, you get the label, we set the advanced options, we choose a time so that we continue. And he is saying that we don't need to do all this. Okay. So the best thing to do is we can just create a document via the API or something like the background. That will just create a document with everything that we did. So that's something similar we did here. I did here. Okay. Then so I think there's something similar there. I'm thinking. I'm actually thinking. Let me check. Let me check. Right. I think I've actually seen something similar like that. First of all, let me see the changes I made. Something might be there. So remove no change this changes. Let me check it. Okay, so no, no, this removed on it's just one. Where is it? Okay, so I think it's this. So fix changes based on code review. Majority of this I removed them, but then this was see I the whole thing that was going through this was just adding stuff, but I just done this in one single take. So I have to remove this. Okay. Okay, so let me just go. So first of all, what are we doing on this part? Okay, I think someone is knocking on my door. I'm coming. Coming, I'm coming. What is knocking? Okay, so where was that? So what we are going to do is there is actually some file here. First of all, I think it's forgotten stuff. I think just 2 days without yes, a seed pending document. Yes. So this is what I actually need. So I need to seed a document. And after I seed the document, I'll seed for the user. Okay, then I'll just go ahead. So seeding for the pending document, I have to just remove not everything, but like majority of the stuff going on here. So I'll start from here. So here is the document title and the current date. Let me leave these two for now. So here you are setting the document title. I can comment it out. Then you are getting the signers, placing it on the documents, everything like that. I can comment it out. Commenting them out, maybe I'll need them later. Then this stuff to I can comment them out. Yeah, then that's pretty much it. So they are seeding the document. So all this is the manual step. You just want to do it with just one function call. I'm just going to copy the whole function for now. Yeah, I'll make changes to it. Okay, so first of all, so who is the owner of the document? The current what? Okay. Wait, why am I getting this error? What does it even mean? What does it even mean? Seriously, like, wait, I've never seen something like this before. I don't know why I'm getting this error. Save pending document as anyway, let me just take this one. So first of all, wait, syntax error. Why is there a syntax error? Won't I need that wait? Isn't the function async? Ouch, here there is it. Okay, so then we are going to the check. Okay, the next thing is you are going out. I don't need you. I want user one. Which one is it? That's example. That's example. The next thing we create document auth options. Nah, I don't need it. Okay. So now this seed pending documents, what does it take? It takes create document options. So this one goes to the options here, which is being added to the documents at this section. Okay. Okay. Let me check something. Ouch. So I need the document. Where is the document? Let's go. So I want to see. Maybe read the options. I need stuff about the dates stuff. Okay, because when I create a document with the date, what happens to the document? Okay, let me see. Let me just do something similar here. So send to the date. First of all, go back. Is the field that is supposed to be your field. Okay, let's give it a date. Continue. Leave this. Sign. Okay, so the document has been signed. I don't really need the document being signed. I just need to see how it is in the database. Thank you, you know, NPS Prisma is the packages. Yep. Okay. No, I don't need you to mention Prisma Studios. Prisma Studio. I need a Prisma Studio rather. Yeah. Well, the next thing is a document. Yep. And which one was it? Was documenso blank? So for now, there's nothing really here regarding that. I don't think I need any document create options, but I need a field. I need to set the field for the document. Okay, how do I do that? Why am I moving about like that? Thank you. So is there, I don't need this is default, so this whole thing. Yep, it's can see pending. Okay, so recipients don't create, it creates a field for you, but then it creates a name field with no fields. I want to see it with a custom field. Does it, yeah, with full field. So we are adding the field. Yeah, good. I like this one. I think this is the one I actually. So first of all, the function is, so the function is taking the owner, which is this, then the recipient, which is this, then recipient create options, which is an empty string. Why am I getting this? I expected one argument. Ouch. Okay, so first of all, the owner is the user. The recipient is the one that is then what's next? The fields. The field should be a date field type. Okay. Then it will take it and create the field that is there for us. But then custom information for the date field type. Recipient create options. I'm even thinking about field create options. Because I need the field, the date field should get custom dates. Yeah, it should get custom date stuff like that. By default, it's added for this 5. So I'm just doing for this specific one. So if I had not specified, we just do this for 5. But I want update document options. What does it do? Okay, so this is the field. Okay, where does the update document options go? Just where does it go? Okay, so you create the document, then you update. If there's an update document options, you update other than that, you just get the latest one. So this seems very good actually. The queries are, so we take all the fields that's been given to us, then we do it here. What's this name? Name, type of recipient is a string. Okay, so the recipient. Let's check so that it doesn't break. So what am I missing here? I need something. I need to customize the field. I need to customize the field. Custom date. I need to pass the custom date. First of all, this is supposed to be brackets. So sign in. So you create a document for the user first. We create a user, see the user, we sign in for the user. We create a document for that specific ones you want to receive. We sign in and we redirect straight to sign. Straight up, you are going to sign. The URL part is somewhere in my sisters. What was it? So sign, yes. Sign, get recipients. So the recipients are also inside here. Right, recipient, good. So first of all, straight up, we're getting the recipient. Okay. Really, I mean, wait, what was it returning? Why? This you are returning this. Well, you have gone too far. You've gone too far. You are returning the created recipient. What's it? And this created recipient is just a recipient which includes a field. Does it include only the field? So we get, but the recipients have a total. So it includes only the field, really. Really. It's if it includes the field, that means as the recipient's default plus the field is included. Okay, let me just for now we are not redirecting any user. Let me just comment. But to do I'm a very bad typist. Like my typing is very all this. I'm taking this one off like so much. Start signing process. So naturally, what's supposed to happen is we are supposed to get this token and stuff from this. Then we can make use of it somewhere else. So I'm just going to comment this one out. You know what? I'm just going to comment the rest of everything else here. We're just going to comment it. Right, so just remove everything. So after you sign in, I want you to console log document, then the recipient. Okay. I can run it here, remember. Let me run it here and let's see. Oh, this thing again. This thing again. This thing again. Give me another 10 minutes. Hopefully finishes right now. I've downloaded it before, but then for everyone I have to download it again, which is very painful. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna use the calendar. Don't know. I'm just going to end pause the stream then do it later or something. Ah, the internet is very slow. It's not even coming. Yeah, how? Da. I'm going to end it here when I turn downloads and I'll come back. That's the best thing I can do. Okay. I'll post the stream here. And when it's done, I'll do that. I'm actually very sad, right?